So we'll start, good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down, turn the palms out. Bring the arms up, palms together, and bring the hands down to the chest. So inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, follow the hands down. And we'll inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale. Exhale, hands down to the chest. Bring the arms in front of the body, bring them up and around. And then swap the arms over, going up and around. So just in your own time. Try and relax into the breathing. A nice, smooth, easy movement. And bring the arms down. So bring the feet together, palms to the chest. And bring the arms up. We'll inhale, exhale over to the left. Come back to center. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale to the right. Come back center. So again, inhale, exhale over, maybe a little further if it feels okay. Coming back to center. Inhale and exhale and center. And one more each way. Inhale, exhale over and breathe. Come back to center. Inhale, exhale, hold and breathe, and come back. Bring the arms down. And take the legs nice and wide, toes in line, arms shoulder level, and we'll twist at the waist. And just a gentle twist side to side. We try and exhale as we twist, inhale center, exhale twist, inhale back. Or just whatever breathing feels natural for you. It's a nice steady twist. And bring the arms down. So balance pose. Working on warrior 3. Standing on the right leg. Bring the left leg up. Now bring the body parallel to the ground. So we can keep the leg low for now. And just work on having the back flat. Head in line with the spine. So come on up to the other side. So coming forwards. Body parallel if we can. And coming on up. So we'll do 2 more each side. So standing on the right, left leg up. Inhale first, exhale forwards. So get the body flat as you can first. Get stable. And then work on lifting the leg, pointing the toes down, hips facing down. And coming down, so onto the other side. Standing on the left, right leg up. Inhale, exhale, come forwards. Get the body parallel and lift the back leg, toes pointing down. Aiming to straighten both legs if we can. And coming down. And one more each side. inhale, exhale, coming forwards, get steady, lift the leg, and if you want to, bring the arms forwards as well. And carrying on up. Last one, inhale, exhale forwards, and lift and straighten the leg, and maybe bring the arms forwards too, and breathe. And carrying on up. So standing pose, we'll do warrior one. Have the left foot forward, right foot behind. And we're twisting the body so the chest is above the hips, both facing towards the bent knee. Now if it feels okay, bring the arms up. So come on out, we'll do the other side. So the right foot is forwards with the right knee bent. That left foot is behind with the heel down. Foot slightly angled towards that front foot. So remember, if the shoulders don't feel too good, you keep the hands to the chest. We'll come out. We'll do one more each side. So left foot forward, right foot back. Bring the arms up if that feels okay for you. And make sure that front knee does not go past the ankle. And breathe. And come out. One more. Right foot forward, left foot back. Bringing the arms up. Sinking down through the middle. And coming back. And we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down. Crown up towards the sky. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Taking the in-breath to the lower hand. And we'll bring the arms down, and we're all done.